Good afternoon, everybody. I am Dr. Ajit from GD Goenka University, Delhi NCR. Uh, we have uh, we have a beautiful campus in Gurgaon Sona Road. We are a very big education group in India. We run almost 70 plus K-12 school all over India, and almost more than 50 primary kids section also. We are running close to 200 plus programs in diploma, bachelor and masters and PhD through 11 schools of excellence, 12 schools. The schools are School of Management, School of Engineering, School of Hospitality, School of Fashion Design, School of Agriculture, School of Law, School of Architecture and Planning, School of Journalism and Mass Communication, School of Applied Science, School of Humanities and Social Science. In all these schools, we are running bachelor, master and PhD program. In engineering, we also have diploma programs in mechanical, computer, electronics and electrical. We have at the moment 3,000 plus students studying from 28 states of India and 10 countries. We are expecting to hit 20 plus countries in 2020 admission, as we are getting a lot of students from Africa, other parts of SAARC like Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Maldives, Sri Lanka. The programs offered can be shared with you through the Nizamiya Education Group. Once Nizamiya Education Group confirms me, I can share the brochure with all of you. The programs, fee structure, programs, everything is in the brochure. And how the brochure can be shared over through by the Nizamiya Education Group people. I hope I am audible as of now to all of you. I am giving you description of all the programs one by one through school wise. Just wait. The School of Agriculture Sciences. In the School of Agriculture Sciences, we are offering Masters of Agriculture Science 2-year duration and Bachelor of Science Agriculture 4-year duration. The program fee for annual fee, I am describing the annual fee of all the programs. The program fee for Master is 1,10,000 per year, and for the bachelor program it is 1,25,000 per year. In the School of Architecture and Planning, we are offering BArch, Bachelor of Architecture. The fee for the program is 1,95,000 per year. After I give you all the program fee, I will also give you the scholarship policy. School of Basic and Applied Sciences, we are offering Master of Sciences in Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Forensic Science, Biotechnology, Microbiology, Biochemistry, Data Science and Scientific Computing, Geology, Environment Science and Management, Forestry and Wildlife. The program fee is 99,000 per year. In BSc, Bachelor of Science Honours program, we are offering physics, chemistry, mathematics, forensic science, microbiology, biotechnology, and biochemistry. We are also offering Bachelor of Science pass course in botany, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and zoology. We also offer 1 year PG diploma in criminology, mathematical modeling and scientific computing, cosmetic science, data science and scientific computing, environment, health and safety. The program fee for honors program is 99,000 per year, and for the PG diploma and past BSc courses 75,000 per year. In the School of Communication, we are offering MA, Master of Arts in Journalism and Mass Communication. We are offering MBA in Communication Management. We are offering 1 year postgraduate diploma in Event Management, Social Media Marketing, and Game Design. In Bachelor's program in Communication, School of Communication, we are offering Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Mass Communication, Bachelor of Science, Animation and VFX, Bachelor of Arts, TV and Film and TV Production, and the other program is Film and Theatre. In School of Education, we have MBA in Education, Leadership and Management, MA, Master of Arts, Education, PG Diploma in Educational Technology, Education Management, which is Montessori system. We also have B.Ed, Bachelor of Education, and we also offer integrated BA, BSc, BA, B.Ed and BSc B.Ed 4-year program. School of Engineering, we offer MTech in Communication Engineering, Computer Science Engineering, Production Engineering, Energy and Environmental Engineering, Construction Engineering and Management. In we have Master of Computer Application, Master of Science, Analytics and Big Data, Master of Science, IT, Information Technology, Postgraduate Diploma in Data Analytics and Cloud Computing, Postgraduate Diploma in Blockchain Technology and New Age IT. BTech, we have Computer Science, Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, Cyber Security, Internet of Things. Integrated BTech, MTech, Computer Science Engineering, Electronics, Communication, Mechanical. Integrated BTech MBA, Computer Science Engineering, Electronics, Communication, Mechanical. Integrated BSc plus MSc, Analytics and Big Data. Integrated BSCA plus MCA. Standalone BTech program in Computer Science Engineering, Civil Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Mechatronics, Petroleum Engineering. Bachelor of Computer Application, BSc, Bachelor of Science, IT, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science. In Diploma in Engineering, we have Diploma in Engineering in Mechanical, Computer, Civil, Electronics. This is after class 10. School of Fashion Design. We have Master of Science in Fashion Design, Interior Design, Product Design. M Design, Master of Design in Textile and Apparel, Retail Design, Product Design, Additive Manufacturing. B Design, 4-year program, Communication, Fashion, Interior, Product, Jewelry, Gemology, Digital and Gaming Designs. BSc program, 3-year programs in Communication, Fashion, Interior, Product, jewelry and gemology. We have also BSc and MSc integrated course, 5-year program, a dual degree program, communication design, fashion design, interior design and product design. We also have Bachelor of Fine Arts. School of Hospitality is our niche school. All the programs in the school are with collaboration of Lee Cordon Bleu, which is one of the world's oldest hospitality school. Master of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, 2-year program. Master of Technology, Master of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Master of Hotel Management, MBA in Accommodation Management, Accommodation Operations and Management, International Hotel and Restaurant Management. These are again 2-year program. PG Diploma in Culinary Arts Management, Bachelor of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Diploma in Hotel Management. This is a 2-year program. After completing diploma, the student get direct pathway to Australia for Lee Cordon Bleu. That means the student will join second year of Lee Cordon Bleu program, and they will complete the program in another 2 years and 1 year internship, followed by 2 years of post-study work permit. It is a very good program for those students who are aspiring to go to Australia to pursue their hotel program, since it's a very highly cost-saving program. By studying 1 year in India and twinning the program with Lee Cordon Bleu, the student directly gets admission into Lee Cordon Bleu. In School of Humanities and Social Science, we have Master of Arts, Counseling Psychology, School Psychology. In MA, Master of Arts, we have got Economics, English, History, Political Science, Geography, Travel and Tourism, Anthropology, Sociology, Philosophy and Public Administration. Master of Arts also in Public Policy and Governance Studies. PG Diploma in Counseling Psychology and Bachelor of Arts Honours in all these streams: Economics, English, Political Science, Psychology, Travel and Tourism, Geography, History, Anthropology, Sociology, Philosophy, Politics and Economics. School of Law, we have Master of Law, Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Law Integrated, Bachelor of Business Administration, Bachelor of Law Integrated, 5-year program, and LLB 3-year program. School of Management, we have MBA in Accounting and Finance, Entrepreneurship, HRM, Economics and International Business, Marketing, Operations and Information Management, Retail Management, Waste Management, Agri-Business Management. We also have Master of Business Administration, Agriculture. We have MBA part-time, Master of Science, Financial Engineering, Supply Chain Management. PG Diploma, Accounting and Finance, Healthcare, Supply Chain Management, Leadership and Governance, Operations and Supply Chain Management, Sports Management, Human Resource Management, Education Marketing. BBA, we have got Bachelor of Business Administration, Finance, General Management, International Business, Marketing, Entrepreneurship, Aviation Management, Human Resource, Accounting and Finance, Retail Management. We also have Bachelor of Commerce Honours in association with ACCA. That means students who pursue BCom Honours from GD Goenka will get exemption of 6 to 9 papers for getting their ACCA, Association of Chartered Accountants of London. In School of Medical and Allied Sciences, we are offering Master of Public Health, Master of Physiotherapy, Master of Science, Healthcare and Clinical Research, B.Pharm, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Physiotherapy, Bachelor of Science in Allied Medical Sciences like Nutrition and Health, Optometry, Cardiovascular Technology, Healthcare and Clinical Research, Medical Lab Technology, Home Science, BSc Nursing, which we are likely to get approval for this year, Bachelor of Science Nursing, Basic and Post Basic. Basic is 4 years, Post Basic is 2 years. Post Basic is done after Basic. Diploma in Pharmacy 2 years after class 12. Diploma in Clinical Pathology, Dialysis Technology, Ophthalmic Technology. Now, I must tell you that all the participants who are watching me live, that we are offering PhD program in all these schools, in all the streams, both part-time and full-time. Part-time students can complete the coursework in 1 semester, and thereafter they can visit the campus every semester once in coordination with the guide supervisor. Full-time program, the students have to be in the campus for the full-time studies. The brochures will be shared by, as I told you earlier, the brochure and fee structure will be shared by the Zamia Education Group. We have all the facilities inside the campus, one of the finest campus in northern part of India, a 60-acre campus which houses an international school also. For your information, I must tell you that we have best hostel in India, one of the cleanest hostel facility housing arrangement with ultra modern gym, spa facility inside the campus. We have got saloon, beauty saloon, and swimming pool, horse riding, all these sports. Apart from outdoor games like football, cricket, badminton, basketball. The hostels accommodation, which I am telling you, we have got a 4 sharing room, a 3 sharing room, 2 sharing room, bunk bed facility, which is premium bunk bed, and bunk bed general to accommodate low cost students who are looking for low cost accommodation possibilities. For boys, we have got 4 sharing accommodation, 3 sharing accommodation, 2 sharing accommodation, bunk bed premium and bunk bed general. For the girls, we have 4 sharing, 2 sharing and bunk bed premium. The annual cost for the hostel is 2 lakh rupees for boys. For a 4 sharing, for girls we have given additional discount of 20,000. It is 1,80,000 per year, including your air conditioned hostel. All the hostels are centrally air conditioned, including your air conditioning charge, electricity bill, your fooding, lodging, and laundry also. This has got this includes your vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals. The student's choice whether he wants to select a vegetarian or non-vegetarian meals. A 3 sharing room cost per year, the cost is 2,25,000 per year. A 2 sharing cost is 3 sharing is not available for girls. A 2 sharing accommodation is 2,50,000 per year. For girls, it has been given, we have given additional discount of 25,000. For girls, the cost is 2,25,000 per year, including, as I told you earlier, including fooding, lodging, air conditioning, electricity bill, laundry, and vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals. Bunk bed premium for boys, it is 1,40,000 per year, including all, as I told you earlier. And for girls, it is 1,20,000. Bunk bed general, it is 99,000 for boys, and for girls, bunk bed general facility is not available. The students who are interested can visit the university website www.gdgoenkauniversity.com. They, apart from this, the students have to pay one-time fee of application form fee 1,000, admission fee uh, of 25,000 and 15,000 respectively for fees above 1 lakh, 25,000 for fee below up to 1 lakh, it is 15,000. The one-time charge. Security fee one time is 25,000 for tuition fee above 1 lakh, and for tuition fee below up to 1 lakh it is 15,000. I must also add here that all the rooms on the hostel, all the rooms in the hostel are furnished, fully furnished, with fully soft furnished, even bed, even your except blanket and bed sheet. You get mattress. You have got television, satellite television in each room. Each room has got satellite television facility. It is unlike other hostels where you have a common room, and in one common room all the students watch television. You got television in your each room. A satellite television beaming almost 1,000 channels. Dear students and our parents who are watching me live, I would also like to add that students who take admission in GD Goenka University have got study abroad options as well. After getting into GD Goenka University, we have got close to 50 plus, almost 50 plus collaboration with international partners all across the globe, and USA, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, Malaysia. The students can pursue 1 year or 2 year depending on the arrangement with the partner university, and then they can join the final 2 years or in the partner university by transferring the credit of GD Goenka, the credit earned in the GD Goenka University. They can transfer the credit to the partner university, and they can continue their final 2 years in the partner university in foreign location in Australia, as I told you, USA, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, all these countries, and they can get the degree of that university in that country, which makes them eligible to get work permit, residency visa for 2 or 3 years as the condition stipulates in that foreign country. I hope I have given you all the information for sharing the brochure. As I told you earlier, our partner, Mr. Nizami Education Group, would be able to share this. If anybody has got any question, they can write here in the, so that I am able to answer it. You can write here in this chat box. I can answer that. Those who are viewing me, watching me, they can write here the question. I can answer them. Is anybody having any question? Now am I audible? Hello, Rahul. राहुल, मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन तो खत्म हो गया. मैं सोचा कि बच्चे वहाँ से क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, लेकिन कोई क्वेश्चन तो कुछ आ नहीं रहा इसके अंदर.
Sir, like you can elaborate just about this, like how we are going for this COVID-19 situation and like how we will tackle.
Okay. Now, parents must be enthusiastic to know about the present situation prevailing in the country due to COVID-19. As I know that most of the students who will be watching me and the parents interested are from the student of the age group of 18 plus, who have just finished their intermediate or examination, class 12 examination, or are about to finish the class 12 examination. The problem persistent now in India is that lockdown 3 is about to end on 17th, and as the central government is mulling over the idea of continuing the lockdown for maybe another 9 to 10 days till Ramadan is over, which is a great cause of concern for all of us. The movement is restricted. We are not able to visit the university. Campus visits are not being able to done by the parents. The parents are feeling very insecure about the present scenario. First of all, I am wishing you all this good luck for all the grade 12 students who are about to appear for the final year examination. Some of the states have finished, like Bihar. The results are already declared, I think. Some of the states still examinations are pending. I was seeing that Gujarat is also about to might have has announced the result. So some of the states results are pending. Some of the states the exams are still pending. Like CBSE class 12 examination is pending, and they are yet to announce a firm date for the exam. The tentative date announced is between 1st to 15th of July. The dates announced is that the students, the examination would be conducted between 1st to 15th July, and for that the MHRD, the CBSE would announce the dates, exact date, 10 days in advance. Maybe they would very soon advance advertise announce the dates. Maybe by the end of the month, I think the date should be announced. As far as those students who are interested to pursue their engineering careers in IITs, NITs, and top institutions like GD Goenka University, you must be waiting for and enthusiastically waiting to finish your JEE mains and JEE advance. I am sure that everybody must be aware that due to COVID-19, the examination has been postponed. The JEE means the dates are from 17th July to 23rd July. And for NEET, those students who are interested to join medical and dental profession, the exam is on, I think, 25th or 26th July for the NEET. Students are requested to have a look at the websites of these statutory bodies, these exam conducting bodies of NEET and JEE. And JEE Advance is in August for those who qualify JEE means and shortlisted for the IITs. But of course, as GD Goenka University, we do accept the scores of JEE means examination. We are also accepting the scores of other state-wise state level examinations conducted by various states for the engineering entrance examination. Dear students, I would also like to add here, parents also, that those students who are interested to pursue architecture program, they must be a little worried about the present situation. I don't know whether you have, all of you have gone into the websites of NATA. Please go into the website of Council of Architecture, click onto the link NATA. The NATA exam has been postponed, which was to be held in April 19th and 3rd May. It has been postponed, and still the fresh dates have not been announced. The good news for those students who could not register for NATA in the earlier attempt, the NATA website would be open, the form registration would be open again. there is a document available on the NATA website which specifies that the NATA registration process would be open in another 2 or 3 days. It was a um, notification of 7th May. So I have seen that it is still not open. Maybe by Monday they will open for another 2 to 3 or 4 days to start the re-registration process. Those students who have not who wanted to pursue architecture program but somehow missed the filling up the registration process for the NATA exam, I I recommend that they go into the NATA website and check up the website. I have a feeling that by Monday they would be able to open the link, and the registration process would be open for those students who by somehow missed the opportunity of opting for the examination. Let me tell you, those aspiring students for architecture, I must tell you that NATA is compulsory. A score of 80 out of 200 is compulsory, and then there is a component of design separate, which is also need to be cleared. Apart from that, those students interested to pursue architecture, in the JEE mains, the second paper is for the architecture. So the institutions like JD Goenka, top institutions like JD Goenka, we are accepting the score obtained in JEE mains on the second paper for admission into architecture. It is a golden opportunity for those students who could not register in the earlier attempt, by somehow they missed registering into the earlier attempt. They can now go into the website, register for the NATA examination. Coming back to other programs, GD Goenka aptitude test is mandatory for other programs because of the present COVID situation. The aptitude test, we have done away with aptitude test, but since the number of applicants are large compared to the number of seats that we have in each program, there is a interview which is being held by the department faculty, dean and faculty coordinators. For example, anybody who applies for a program in hotel management, he would first get a registration number, and then the student would get a call for the interview by the school, the dean and the committee for the interview. Upon qualifying the interview, the student is offered a conditional offer letter. Conditional means that you have to clear your class 12 examination to get admission into a bachelor program, undergraduate program, and the student who with minimum 45% marks for some program it is minimum 50%, based on the statutory body's stipulation. I am sure everybody must be aware of eligibility norms for the program that they are going to opt for. But still, in case anybody has got doubt, they can always come back to us. I will share my WhatsApp number here with Nizamiya Education Group. The Nizamiya Education Group would be able to pass on my WhatsApp number to all the aspirants who are watching me, the parents who are watching me, and the stakeholders for any kind of information about the eligibility criteria. I would be very happy to answer. If anybody is interested further to fill up the form, I will take you through that process. I will hand over your case to the coordinator of admission, the national coordinator. She will guide you with the registration process, how to register yourself, so that after once you register into the system, everything is done automatically. The system takes care of your requirement. they will guide you, the system will guide you, interview is done, then they will remind you of the payment part to block your seat, then they will remind you of the class start and other things to follow. Now coming back again to the programs like hotel management, as you know that the program like Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Architecture, Education, Bachelor of Education, Bachelor of Law, these are all run in accordance with the statutory bodies like Pharmacy Council of India, National Council for Teacher Education, then Bar Council of India, Council of Architecture. So the conditions stipulated by them, the eligibility norms stipulated by them, laid down by these statutory bodies, have to be followed. For example, for architecture, the students who must have physics, chemistry, mathematics. For engineering, physics and mathematics are compulsory subjects. I think all of the students, all the parents must be aware of all these norms. Again, I reiterate that the students and the stakeholders and the parents must go into the details of eligibility. For that, as I briefed you earlier, I am always available. My WhatsApp number will be shared with the students and parents who are watching me live. My email ID will also be shared with you in case you want to write to me. But easiest way to approach me would be just WhatsApp me, and I will take you with the those who are really interested further. I will take you further into the system. Coming back to the programs offered by GD Goenka, let me tell you that the programs with fee structure is available in the brochure. The brochure would be shared by the Nizami Education Group. Let me come back to the brochure and give you little more about the scholarship policy. Let me tell you the scholarship policy for the national scholarship policy for the students who are interested to pursue their education in a leading education brand, GD Goenka University. We have, as your results are still not declared, from my side, good luck to all of you for wonderful results ahead. For the students' interest and the parents' interest, GD Goenka is offering 100% scholarship on tuition fee for the students of all over India, except Delhi and all over India. Those students who score above 90% marks, those students who are scoring above 90% marks, they have nil tuition fee. They need not pay any tuition fee. Let me again tell you, those students who have 90% marks in the grade 12 or in bachelor degree to pursue bachelor program or master program, the student who score above 90% do not have to pay any tuition fee at all. The students who are above 80% in their grade 12 or in their bachelor degree program, they have to pay only 50% of the tuition fee. The students who are scoring above, please, and the students who are really interested, why I am going so slow on this scholarship policy, to note down. I want you to note down the features of the scholarship policy. Those who are above 80%, they are getting a scholarship of 50% on tuition fee. Those who are above 70% in the grade 12 or bachelor examination to pursue undergrad or master's course, those who are above 70% marks, they will get 30% scholarship on the tuition fee. Let me tell you, the scholarship policy is only tuition fee oriented. There is no scholarship, additional scholarship on the hostel fee structure. The scholarship policy is only on the tuition fee. So those students who are scoring above 70% marks in the grade 12 or in the bachelor degree examination, they will get a scholarship of 30% on the tuition fee. Those above 60%, those above 60% will get 10% or 20% scholarship on the tuition fee. 10% for those programs whose tuition fee is less than 1,95,000 and above 1,95,000 per year tuition fee, the students would get 20% scholarship on tuition fee. As I was told by that Nizamiya Education Group, that many of the visitors and many of the interested students are coming from J&K part and northeastern parts of India. I have a good news for the students of J&K and the northeastern parts of India, that the scholarship policy is special for the students of J&K and northeastern parts. The last slab of 60% scholarship, the last slab of 60% scholarship, 20% scholarship for those who score above 60% is flat for the students of Northeast and J&K. That means there is no criteria of above 1,95,000 and below 1,95,000. That they are being given a special treatment by GD Goenka University, because we do understand that there are some hardships the Northeast student faces. There are some hardships. There were several hardships that the students of Jammu and Kashmir faced in the present situation since the lifting of that Article 370. But still, you were given additional input support from the central government. I was told. I don't know the ground realities, but since we do not know the ground realities and we do not know the hardships that you face, but to accommodate the students of the Jammu and Kashmir and the northeastern states, GD Goenka University has announced a special scholarship package. Let me tell you, the special scholarship package from beginning, 90% and above for all students, it is nil tuition fee. For 80% and above the students, it is 50% of tuition fee only. For 70% and above, there is a rebate of scholarship of 30% on the tuition fee. For the students of Jammu and Kashmir and the northeastern parts of India, there is a flat scholarship of 20% on tuition fee for all the programs. There is a flat scholarship of 20% on all the programs. Let me again come to the brochure, and let us have a quick review of all the program before I finish off the session. I hope the students, because I must emphasize you students to stay in GD Goenka, come and study, enjoy your educational dreams in GD Goenka, because you are studying in one of the best institutions in India. to test it to as a testimony of our greatness. You can feel, you can see that we are running close to 75 plus K-12 school all over India on a franchise model, which means our partners are highly satisfied with our quality, our delivery, our ethics, our educational ethics, and the systems that we follow. A quick overview on GD Goenka brochure again. I think those who tuned in late, or those who were able to listen to me late, let me again quickly give you an overview of all the schools and the program. School of Agriculture Science. School of Agriculture Science, we have Masters, Bachelor, MSc Agriculture, Bachelor of Agriculture, a 2-year and 4-year program, and PhD as well. School of Architecture and Planning, we have got programs in BARC. Admission to BARC is subject to NATA and score in JEE main second paper. School of Basic and Applied Science, we have MSc programs, we have BSc Honours program and BSc Pass program, and PG Diploma. School of Communication, we have Master of Arts, Journalism and Mass Communication, MBA in Communication Management, and PG Diploma. We have BA, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Mass Communication, Bachelor of Science, Animation, Bachelor of Arts, Film and TV, Film and Theatre, School of Education, MBA in School Education Leadership and Management, MA Master of Arts in Education, PG Diploma, Montessori System, Bachelor of Education Integrated, BA, B.Ed and BSc B.Ed. We have B.Ed program, 2-year B.Ed program for those who have done the first degree. School of Engineering, we have MTech, we have MCA, we have MSc IT, we have Analytics and Big Data, PG Diploma, BTech in host of streams. We have BCA, we have BSc MSc Integrated, we have BCA MCA Integrated, we have BTech MTech, BTech MBA integrated programs. We have BSc IT, BSc Computer Science, Diploma in Engineering in 4 streams, namely Computer, Mechanical, Civil and Electrical. School of Fashion Design, we ran BSc program, B Design, M Design, MSc program, Bachelor of Fine Arts, School of Hospitality is one of our best school, School of Hospitality and one School of Management, one of the best schools of GD Goenka, where the placements are guaranteed and the packages are very good. School of Hospitality is run in collaboration with Lee Cordon Blue, one of the oldest hospitality school. You can I'll little go slow on that. Lee Cordon Blue, you can write down, you can check on the Google. It is one of the hospitality school. The students who do study here, they can get straight pathway to go to Australia and pursue the 2 years, final 2 years in Australia, thereby getting 1 year in paid internship plus 2 years post-study work visa. Thereafter, if you do well, you can apply for PR as well. This is not only applicable for hospitality. We have programs in almost all the schools where you have pathway to study and complete your degree in a foreign land. The program, it is all available on the website. Details are available on the website. Plus Nizami Education Group is always helpful to all of you. Then School of Humanities and Social Science, we offer MA programs in a host of specializations. BA Honours in again host of specializations. School of Law, we have BA LLB, BBA LLB integrated, Master of Law LLM 1 year, Bachelor of Law LLB 3 years. School of Management, we have got MBA, we have got MBA in Agriculture Management, we have got Executive MBA, we have got part-time MBA for those who are staying near Delhi NCR. We have PG Diploma, we have BBA, we have got BCom Honors in association with ACA. ACA is Certified Chartered Accountants of London. They get exemption to pursue this ACA program. School of Medical Science, Allied Medical Science, we have got Masters, we have got Master of Public Health, Master of Physiotherapy, Master of Science, Healthcare and Clinical Research, Master of Bachelor of Physiotherapy, BSc in Forensic Science, Nutrition, Health, Optometry, Cardiovascular, Clinical Research, BSc in Nursing, Basic and Post Basic, and Bachelor of Pharmacy. Hostel fee structures are available, details are available on the website, available in the brochure which will be shared with you by the Nizamiya Education Group. I hope you had a informative and productive session. Anybody still I am live for half an hour, 2 to 3 minutes. Anybody having any question can put the question here. Thank you.